In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can uninstall any software from your Windows 10. So there are basically two ways. First of all, you have to click on this start button here. Then you will click on settings here, and then you have to click on the apps option here, and it will actually gives you the list of installed softwares on your system. So let's suppose that if I want to uninstall this CapCut application, I will just left click on this, and then I will again left click on this uninstall, and it will uninstall this application from my PC. And the second way is basically you have to click on this search bar, and you have to search for this control panel. If you don't see here, then you can type for it like control, and then you have to click on this control panel here, and then you have to click on this uninstall a program, and it also gives you the list of installed softwares on your system. So basically, if I want to uninstall this Fraps, I will right click on this one, and then I will left click on this uninstall and change, and it will uninstall this Fraps software from my system. So that's how you can uninstall any software from your Windows 10. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.